If you're looking to build your dream home in Mount Airy, Maryland, take a look at this 12.5-acre lot. It's already zoned residential. The seller is selling the land as is. There is no well, there is no perk. One amazing building site, maybe two. It's a great opportunity to build your home in a beautiful, secluded area. Don't let this opportunity slip away. The survey's been done, the property's been staked. You can go to www.woodvilleproperty.com, and always you can contact your real estate professional. www.woodvilleproperty.com, Woodville Road and Talbot Run. Stop on by.